Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. Today is a very short video. I just wanted to share with you my completed diamond painting kit. This is an icon of Virgin Mary. I purchased it from AliExpress maybe a year ago for around $6. I will leave the link to the seller in the description box below. This is a partial round drill diamond painting kit. This is actually a crystalline kit because all the drills are crystals except of one color, black. The black is resin drill. This kit contained 17 colors. Again, all of them are crystals except of one. It was pretty easy to diamond paint it. It took me maximum, like 2 days to do that. The only thing is that the adhesive, which is a poured glue, was not that great in comparison to, for example, Make Market or Diamond Dots or Diamond Art Club. When you put the diamond to the canvas, it feels like it sinks into it. That's because there is a lot of poured glue on it. But this kit contained like a very thin layer of the glue, and I'm afraid that at some point the diamonds might start falling out. So as soon as I will frame it as soon as I can. This way the glass will protect the kit or the diamonds from falling off. And the diamonds quality was not that great. There were some drills that were scratched off on the bottom, and of course the symbols were thin through if these diamonds were attached to the to the canvas. So I had to toss away many drills with scratched bottom and replace them with new ones. I didn't do any customization to this kit, just completed it the way it was with the original drills. I like the colors, I think it's beautiful, although it's not that well detailed, especially when it comes to the letters. I cannot make a sense of what it says over there. And this was like a short, it was like a small diamond kit, diamond painting kit. I usually work on smaller kits between my bigger projects. If you follow my channel, you know that my recent kit was this one. I completed the red truck from Make Market, and I was thinking of starting this kit, the train, but yesterday I had a chance of purchasing this beautiful Lake Forest kit, and I decided to start working on this one, and I will begin diamond painting it tomorrow. So I just wanted to, rest between bigger kits. This one was 40 by 50 centimeters. Lake Forest is even bigger, 45 by 60 centimeters. So I needed some rest in between. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon.